Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DSers, a popular dropshipping tool. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to start your own online store but been overwhelmed by the idea of sourcing and managing inventory? If so, then DSers might be the perfect solution for you. It's a powerful tool that makes it easy to find and import products from AliExpress to your store. In this video, I'll show you how to get started with DSers and how to use it to build a successful dropshipping business. But first, let's take a step back and talk about what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products that you don't actually have in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, you simply forward the order to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. 1. This makes dropshipping a great way to start an online business without having to invest a lot of money in inventory. One of the best platforms for dropshipping is Shopify. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that makes it easy to create and manage your online store. Once you've created your Shopify store, you can install the DSers app. The DSers app is a free Chrome extension that makes it easy to find and import products from AliExpress to your store. Once you've imported some products, you can start setting up your store. This includes adding product descriptions, images, and pricing. Once your store is set up, you can start promoting your products to potential customers. You can do this through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Once you start getting orders, you'll need to process them and ship the products to your customers. DSers makes this easy by providing you with a built-in order management system. Overall, DSers is a powerful tool that can help you build a successful dropshipping business. If you're looking for an easy way to start an online store, I highly recommend checking it out. So where can you download DSers? You can download DSers from the Chrome Web Store. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on dropshipping and e-commerce. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.